Hi guys, so what we're doing right now is a little sheetrock work. So let me spin this around. Let me spin it while I'm videoing. Apparently not. Oh well. Alright, so we've got some stacks of sheetrock over here on the floor, as you can see. Lovely, lovely sheetrock. Okay, here's my lovely husband. He is putting up the first sheet of sheetrock, and he's putting screws into the studs to hold it there. And then once he lays that one, as you can see, we've already got all the walls studded that we're putting it on. So next we'll put another piece of sheetrock up. And then, once we get it all sheetrock, we'll roll some insulation into the walls and do a little mud work. Hi guys, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to cut a hole into your sheetrock. So if you need to do something, access at some reason, maybe you're trying to run a power outlet. Anyway, what we're doing is we're cutting a hole to run some exhaust for a portable air conditioner because ours isn't portable. So I've already drawn our circle. This is a 6-inch circle. I've got my punch saw, and so I'm gonna start cutting. So first thing you do is just put it like in the center, give it a little pop, 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 get your hole started. And then you're just gonna saw all the way around and get the hole out. All right, easy enough. Go cut those holes. All right, so now I'm gonna show y'all how to cut a piece of sheetrock, because unfortunately, every place you're putting sheetrock is not gonna be a perfect 8x4 section. So the section we need right now is 17.5 inches. So I've already gone and measured 17.5 inches and drawn my line down. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my level to help keep my line straight and to control my blade. And I'm just using a straight blade pocket knife type thing. I'm sure this is totally not the professional way to do it, but this is how I do it. So this is going to be your country girl realtor method. That's what we're going to go with. That's what we're going to call it. So I'm going to line up my level on my line. Make sure it's good and on there because we don't want it shifted because that will mess up my measurements. So once I'm positive that I have that in place exactly where I want it, sometimes you gotta give it a little tapping, a little tap, tap, tap-a-roo. Once you know you got it in place, then I'm just gonna start right here, working my way down, and I will do a couple of strokes in each place with the blade to make sure I'm really cutting through that. Okay, and I'm just gonna work my way down. You gotta watch till the end though, because at the end the way I separate it's super cool. I'm going to move this down a little bit, still trying to control my blade and keeping it on the line. Almost through. I'm going to shift the other direction, so if you want to go the other way, so I can cut this direction. Careful, there's my tape measure.
Tape measure.
Y'all stay on that side so you don't see nothing. I got to manipulate my feet a little bit here. I'm trying to hold this in place and it's going to shift. There's nothing really weighing it down. Yeah, don't get this image on. Keep the camera on that angle. Okay. Get a little bit more right there. That place doesn't feel like I've cut it quite enough in this one spot. There we go. Alright, so then this is cool. After you've cut your line, pick up the piece of sheetrock, stand it up on edge. It's not going to work right now because I'm trying to show y'all. There we go. And it splits perfectly for you. So now all you got to do, lay it down, cut a little bit of paper on this side that's holding it, and you're done. See how easy this is? There we go. Now we're ready to hang it.